the Omano kwa wuchire mu
unsa Haruna Idris we na da no tena wa otie ya owi no kan se kroma ehye na unsa di we abeka eno assembly for the na make yo
okay
ana enya just any legal basis a ye betimi dia pass edi sa to me no amana na do because my country's article 252 aka common fan eno odi a won fan ko
yeah
sa article 245B eno nso se ye ma assemblies no kwan na omo nso engigi sa property rate no wa uji akra de na won fan ko no de ono ji wo ho no se mi ma okwan na wo so koje that's the assembly one bio is recentralization or reconcentration to me na ye di ko important na do sign akwa koje ana mama wanya paragraphs a kan nyame na make on me see paragraph 66 and paragraph 142 eno hona okan say o magiari akwa koje property rate
yeah
ye ko kumasi KMA ye ko hwe sa property rate ni sa to nkakra nga ndi omugiye in a year kumasi nkwa timiji 25 million to 30 million Ghana cedis
in a year
eno no moti ehwe kumasi ni say ne in a year Techiman etimiji 1 to 2 million Ghana cedis in a year Cape Coast me kwa local government committee no
okay
ye ko hwe to no send omugiye ni they are doing well, they are not doing that bad. Beside that, from 2011,
me boss sasika no omoji a ese mu 95%.
There be no count.
Okay.
Near aban no energy ye oil revenue.
Yeah.
Ye cocoa revenue. Or the income tax in the direct taxes na twa ye pia wo Ghana ha nyina no. Ti say radio go mu ye corporate tax na aban na ejije no.
Okay.
By property rate ni sa take it in talk it and the assemblies na ejije no.
Okay.
And a parliament ayemra local governance act 936 that is out to me na ma assemblies. Enti se won see me wa yesi wuji boom na for 95 number 5 come home. No mo munji property tax ni sa no man kitikiti no mo fa develop ho.
Okay.
Eno nti na woko Ghana almost yen kron kese no yen district nyina bia ye almost urbanized.
Okay.
Eno na Rollis no mo ye no 1988 ye 2010 population and housing census. Yes, Ghana is more urbanized than rural now. So, yeah, a decentralization in there. And it's a self like I say, Ukwako Gisa to me no Afro Assembly for no Edia Back Center. It means Usan be Ghana Nina Oli Accra.
And say yes, sir. And
say yes, sir. And tell you wrong.
Okay.
Then secondly,
now
okay, because we did to na umfanko from January to date umfa bianko e. And in the finance minister ebe ready budget na ka say no. Udika almost 1 year 1 quarter. 2020 4th quarter 1 to year entrance ma ready budget no.
Okay.
2021 first and second quarters 1 to year nka we no entrance. And no, and na ye ni tena demo is it 10 o'clock na be ready you see there be 12 o'clock
na moment started one something
that was the reason yeah nene tazi debi yeah ma kwan ma won kasa say yeah ye gina homa assemblies no ye gina ma Ghana for
yeah
and say one fa say you know omuko board bosia wo Access Bank etua 4th quarter any first quarter any second quarter and sana ye quarter na say man ready budget no I'm telling you.
Honorable, breaking news.
No, I will not lie to you.
Oh, I know.
People did not understand why.
The finance minister and chair, you know. Now, musika. Yeah, after buying home.
Yeah, the Ghana district assembly is say one pure district assembly common fund.
One money ready budget, you know.
When the argument the 2021 Uber higher ready budget. Say for common fund, a common assemblies no one fund. Who say when they will sign the biaba. So yen timi betra ha na say ye pass ma wa na wako ye pass ye disika hye ho sika no so wagigi mra no se wugi afa 95 na 5 komo 5 no one fan ko tare na say ye tena say be
mebo sika no na mom ho ana sika no ba ye
oji na wa use on fan ko enti na sika yesi G 1995 na 5 ko ede na okobo bosia ediko
enti obobesia da na ukura no
obobesia wa access bank ansa na odi kwa tua
esi omatua besi
omatua first fourth quarter 2020 atua first quarter 2021 atua second quarter 2021 ansa na ye ready
okay enti 3 na moje
enti otua 3 na ansa na obe ye kwashase
esi aka 2 quarters
aka third quarter 2021
third and fourth
no die fourth no 31 December na fourth no beso
okay enti aka third quarter
enti one yes na say abana amotuma ya no yes impapenye ye huni mfaso
I see
enti na manfo kan na parliament for no see it wasn't so the catcher the finance minister waje sika no waje fa komomo enti say ukọ district no ma ubehu DC we na DC for obehu na wakọ radio station na okasa na eba yo say DC boy aduma ya na ema DC ebo aduma
wow
yenti okeko yen na ye ma DC so say DC timi kasa
just establishing
na just say yem rashe bedwafo no
e na modwuma yi amano
anako the worst of it all ye fra BB District Development Fund mbrofo no disika bre but it was say otua 5% na common fund for no atua counterpart funding utua 20 na mbrofo no di 80 abeka ho one tua 20 na omumfa 80 ni mada wenyina utisu umfanko
sense no abrofo na de brain
mbrofo no say
I'm the chair and say because okay okay
utua uye wadwuma yi na ye check na assemblies mu ambe ya de no na mbrofo no omutumi di be $100,000
etimi ba
na ba ubetua counterpart funding of $20,000 into $20 million into $20 million no mo di 80 na account 80 million account na say $100 million na abana chama assembly omu yese na be ya ye mansene no ebe jina mo sa property rate we mrofo no a select 114 districts
Ghana
edisika bro mo from Bahama time from 2011
wow
eno na no mo ye mo property addressing system eno mo ye mo software at training mo from 2011 our property addressing system no agina ni nan so mo ye ho software US 4 eka ho UK 4 ka ho Holland 4 ka ho Canada 4 ka ho enti omo aka bom eno mo de sika ba no mo be training ye mansen no afa ye software mo di quality property rate no ene aye successful no wo kwa akofa sa software no se wo di bridge ya refo na mo di ageto no enti mrofo na ye a big step so wo hwe ya nda no ye ready budget no diplomatic committee no mama
okay enti say budget statement be na aya no
every budget statement they can be o say wo to say diplomatic call no mama omo nyina bra ban no se mo mre na
enti because of sanyema o maya as a government of Ghana person said you bu am kwase enti no
na say my boy who car from 1988 abua o district local governance aboka wo ho ka mrofo na bo e wo oman no ho no e wo district level no enye sakitwa na no mu si ye mra Dr. Odrosai on na ye oto abanfo yenyi aban DC4 no si o DC4 no kra aban yi omu no kra enkonte a oman no push Dr. Odrosai lawyer local governor aspect ye man no abura yedi utimi ukrachi nipa onimpa so no politics in oditro
wow
uno ye head of local government institute aban transfer 9 months onyi DC usi eni ntutu so bia e wa mambo no wow ndi ndano na budget no bae yesi o me chechire local governance no wama
go onimne wae
wama enye no nkwa because oba oye lawyer ono anim say budget ni tia local government mra no constitution no nyina na oba be ya no say oba want me ya no
but I prepare budget now don't they have lawyers and microphone be ready terms of how they
amambo no MPP for ni mamambo no kure no munka
eno an
o mu ni mamambo no kure no munka on be fa ne e wo dada no ma ya adore
akwara ba ko na
oh no ma to ni din go around National Board for Small Scale Industries say na on bibisa
yeah
when they buy Ewo constitution ye ba constitution no man this anomaly. By almost your friend Ghana Entrepreneurial Agency. In the account na ye hu o be kaza different adore. O mo akosua political communication.
Okay.
Inti they just flash you with the slogan. Inti usia send the idea nature no mu this ga obewie no mu adie.
Obekasa no mu wie. They are eba mambo mu padia. They don't know good governance because no good driver will overtake without seeing forward. Adie no mu aye ne kire se omunim no munim sense so say enebeba. Okay, Charles Obeka chiro. Me I used to tell them the Charles no ma omu ye 20 from the next government will be fixed with either to cancel school feeding, to cancel free SHS, or to collapse other areas. This is only
that school feeding, no, Oma collapse school feeding. It is just existing by name. I'm telling you, school feeding is collapsed.
I think we've had enough for terms of revenue.
Remember, at the basic level, no, sika, and I make us say, yeah, mine. I say,